Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on language and region, so the second option, and here let's tap on edit. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find your language and tap on it. Actually tap on this plus icon. So let me pick Turkish, just tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you actually really want to set the new language as a default one. So let's simply tap on yes. And basically from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added, you can reorder them right here, and thanks to it you can also change the default language. Let's simply tap on it and hold it, and then let's drag it to this first position. Let's confirm it. And as you can see, we've got English applied. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, and right here you have to tap on this minus icon. We've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.